Hello everyone, welcome to Google Meet tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we actually switch the accounts in Google Meet. So many a times it's a possibility that you are attending different sorts of functions, like it could be personal functions, it could be your classes, it could be your hobby classes, or you could interacting with your friends. So if you have a personal account that you cannot use for the professional services, or if you have a professional account that you cannot use to join in to the personal meetings, right? So this is which is a common problem scenario. The solution to this is you can switch accounts in Google Meet. So how are we gonna do this? Let's see the process, which is pretty simple. Make sure you are in the official Google Meet site, which is meet.google.com. Once there, you just click on this top right corner that shows the profile picture. This will bring up your Google account. Since for the Google Meet, we know that we need to sign into our Google account, right? So the Google account would be associated with our Meet, and if you want to switch the accounts, what you can do is you can simply add another account. So just click on add another account. It would allow you to sign in. So let's just sign in quickly to our Google account. This is the address, the password I need to enter. Okay, now so I have signed in to my Google Meet account, means another Google account. Then what I'll be getting is this option as well, this first mail and this second mail. So if I just click over here, then what happens is now Google Meet is opening for this account. If I just type any code or a meeting link, or I join a meeting, then I would be joining through this account. So just click over here, just select the account through which you want to join, and this is how smoothly you can actually switch the accounts in Google Meet. That's it for this video.